Are you ready to close the chapter on disconnection and open the one on soul resonance? A truth about human connection is about to be revealed before your eyes. Understand how your gaze and your invisible presence are the true magnets of deep connection. Are you a truth seeker, yearning for a connection that transcends the superficial and nourishes your soul? We understand your frustration with disconnection and your longing to be seen and felt on a deep level. We will educate you on the neuroscientific and spiritual foundations that enable resonance between souls. Revealing the power of your gaze, we will stimulate your curiosity with metaphors that will dissolve your old beliefs about touch and connection. The transition to a life of deep connection begins with the courage to truly look and feel. Are the barriers of invisibility and the fear of vulnerability preventing you from forming authentic and deep bonds? We promise you a path to reveal your presence, activate your bonding, intuition, and experience a connection that goes beyond the hands. Ancestral wisdom and the neuroscience of empathy validate this path to genuine contact. Take action, look deeply, feel with your whole being, and share this revelation. Your soul will thank you. Your longing for authentic connection cannot wait. The time to be truly seen is now. We will address universal existential issues: stress, the search for purpose, anxiety, disconnection, not as pathologies, but as invitations to an interdimensional awakening. If true connection is established in the invisible ink of our gazes and in the contact of our toroidal fields, how do we discern the authenticity of a bond when the veils of perception limit us? Is love a function of neurochemistry or a resonance of quantum consciousness that transcends the brain? And if we are, in essence, intertwined beings of light, what interdimensional barriers prevent us from experiencing this truth in every daily interaction? And how can we dissolve them to merge with the whole? How to learn to read the invisible ink in interactions and manifest bonds that nourish your being? We will delve into the mystery of contact beyond the physical, exploring how a resilient mindset and expanded consciousness are forged in the alchemy of vulnerability and deep perception. If you've ever felt an inexplicable connection, this text will reveal the secret behind that magic. What if your eyes were portals to another dimension? Discover the truth of your gaze. Comment, feel, and share this portal with a soul who needs to be seen and felt. Keep this knowledge as your compass for authentic connection. Your next deep connection awaits. How far are you willing to feel? The neuroscience of your soul revealed. It's not what you think. Are you ceasing to be invisible? The time to be felt is now. The science of soul connection. How your gaze unlocks hidden dimensions of love, the forgotten secret of your eyelashes. How the butterfly's flutter awakens the inner sun and transforms your connections. Stop being invisible. The quantum guide to authentic presence and deep emotional resonance. If these words resonated in the depths of your being, stop your world for a moment. The universe is waiting for you to connect. If you dare to look beyond the visible, subscribe and ring the cosmic bell. This is just the surface. If you're ready to dive into the depths of human and spiritual connection, visit the link in our bio. A cry from your soul for authentic contact that the modern world has forgotten. The dance of deep perception. Do you feel the call of a connection that transcends the ordinary? A longing to be fully seen? Explore how neuroscience and spirituality converge to reveal the hidden power in every glance and touch. Imagine a life where every interaction is an echo of your soul, where invisibility dissolves into a radiant presence. Do you desire it now? But you will have the keys to manifest it in your life. Dare to feel. Comment revelation and share this truth with someone seeking genuine connection. Do you feel invisible, disconnected, or that your interactions fall short of the depth you crave, leaving a void in your spirit? The invisible ink encoded in every glance and the butterfly-like flutter of your eyelashes are we mere instruments of a universal resonance, or the conductors of our own orchestra of connections? Are you ready to respond with a gaze that reveals universes? And if the act of being felt transcends the hands and resides in the vibration of the soul, what other invisible hands are caressing and transforming the reality we cannot yet perceive? Catalysts for an awakening of the inner sun, a radiance that overturns invisibility and allows the pure essence of being to be felt. That feeling of not being seen is the echo of a deeper disconnection. This analysis reveals how science and ancient wisdom allow you to activate your invisible ink and transform every glance into a portal to a connection so profound that you will stop feeling your hands. You felt superficially connected, afraid of vulnerability, longing for a touch that never reached the core. You experience a deep connection, where every glance it's a shared universe, and every touch is an echo of your felt soul. We will guide you through the neuroscience of empathy, the spirituality of connection, and the power of presence to cross into this new reality of connection. The result is a life full of authentic relationships, a shared purpose, and the profound satisfaction of being truly seen and felt in every interaction. Do we agree that authentic connection is the cornerstone of holistic well-being and a purposeful life? I promise you that, by the end of this reading, you will not only understand the power of interdimensional connection. Millions of souls seek this resonance. Ancient traditions and modern science converge. True connection resides in the invisible. Are you ready to experience it? We have lifted the veils of perception, exploring how the deep gaze and the ethereal caress not only reflect feelings, but also activate interdimensional dimensions of connection. But if connection is a cosmic echo, is each encounter a predestined fragment of a greater symphony? Your soul calls to you.